New tonight, doses of the COVID-19 vaccine must be used or thrown away if a vial is open for a certain amount of time, leading to surprise vaccines for people who happen to be at pharmacies where they're being given out. A D.C. man started his new year with a vaccine he thought he'd have to wait weeks for. Fox 5's Evan Lambert is live in Northeast D.C. tonight with that story. Evan.
David MACMILLAN is a law student here in D.C., originally from Kentucky, and he says he was here at this Giant in Brentwood shopping on New Year's Day. He walked by the pharmacy. The pharmacist said, "Hey, I have these doses of the Moderna vaccine. Do you want it?" Listen.
We were just getting groceries, and she said, "Hey, I've got these extra doses of the Moderna vaccine, and would you guys like to get vaccinated?" And I was like, "Yes." How is this going to happen? I'm excited that I have it. Obviously, I'm still wearing a mask. I'm still distancing at least until I get the second dose, and then probably a little bit beyond that. But I'm excited that I've got some protection.
Dreaming about the things that we could be.
MACMILLAN, of course, documented his vaccination on TikTok, saying his new year was now off to a good start. So here's how this happens. Once vaccine vials are punctured, they can only be unthawed for several hours. So this Giant pharmacy giving the vaccine says it had extra doses to use or lose because of missed appointments that were meant for first responders and others in the first phase of vaccination in D.C. It is unclear how many extra doses are typically left at the places giving the vaccine across the city, but it's likely this is happening in Maryland and Virginia, too. D.C. Health Director LaQuandra Nesbitt says at hospitals they have organized lists of healthcare workers they can call to get it, but the same systems are not in place at grocery stores like Giant and Safeway, where the vaccines are being distributed in D.C.
Our goal is to have minimal wastage of vaccine, and if there are people who are available at the end of the day to be vaccinated, then you should vaccinate them. Many of our hospitals and health systems have on-call list of employees who will come in to be vaccinated in order to prevent wastage.
And it is not clear how many doses are going to waste across Maryland, D.C., and Virginia. Those numbers are being kept track of. They have to be reported to the federal government, but none of those states are reporting it to us right now. Back to you.
Evan, thanks.